In this trick, your puppy will learn to close a door by pushing it shut. The same trick also works to close a drawer. This is a super handy trick, especially when you have your hands full and need that little extra help with that door. A lot of dogs seem to like it too because they like to slam doors. We're going to again use the luring method to teach this trick to our puppy. Now to teach your puppy to close the door, you're going to again use a food lure. So I'm going to open the door just kind of halfway. I'm going to take my food lure, get my puppy's attention right by her nose, move the food lure up a little higher than she can reach. As she reaches for it, she's probably going to jump up and slam the door in the process. Very good. When you give her the treat, try and give her the treat at the exact moment that the door is slammed. JD, up here. Good. And that way she starts to associate the sound of the slamming door with her treat, and she knows what she did to earn the treat. Let's try it one more time. So again, I start with a treat by her nose to get her attention, move it a little higher than she can reach. As soon as it slams, give her the treat. Very good. Now the slam is going to be a little bit loud, and if your puppy is sound shy, he might get a little bit startled by that. But with puppies, you kind of want to get them over that sound shyness. So while in daily life with your puppy, go ahead and kind of slam some cupboard doors and move pots and pans around to kind of get them desensitized to that loud noise. If you're trying to train this trick and your puppy does get a little bit scared by the loud noise, don't coddle him. Just pretend like it's no big deal and keep going. Very good. Good job. Let's give that a try with some other puppies. Good. Good. Cooper, get it. Good. Now that your puppy is getting good at slamming the door following the food lure, we're going to start to fade the food lure. So this time, I'm not going to have a treat in my hand. JD, come over here. I'm just going to kind of tap the door. JD, close. Good. As soon as she closes it, then I give her a treat from my treat bag. So again, JD, close. Good. Then a treat from my treat bag. Very good. And eventually you'll be able to send her from farther away. Hey, JD, come here. Can you close? Good. Very nice. Let's recap that trick.